Hi, and welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to watch people making things with joy, or you also like to make things with joy, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. Wow, it's already November. So this is my November planning video. I usually like to do planning videos, make videos, sew along, challenges, shorts, and things like that. But I need to do some planning because there are only 2 months left in the year and I have a few things that I need to clean up. First of all, I have quite a bit of video to clean up. Because I ran a challenge, and because I got sick twice this year, I have like a backlog of videos. So you're going to have to forgive me in the next couple of months between now and December while I put out some videos that I missed that were, I don't know, they got delayed by life. So one of them is I had a video for the trip to Ocherius where I went for a little holiday. I also have shopping in Ocherius because I shopped at, not Diablo's. Senior moment. But I shopped there. I also never published an August makes, September makes, October makes video, or a July makes video. I guess because I got caught up in my dress-a-girl, my dengue fever. So I'm going to put those out. I'm going to try and shrink them so they're not too big. Now, the thing that really gives me pause is I've been looking at my 9 makes video. And I have, on that 9 mix video, I have a 4-season quilt that I've been working on for years, y'all, years. And I have dolls. I have my Dress-a-Girl challenge. I have Issei Miyake. I challenged myself to make one of his garments. I have a Chanel coat that I challenged myself to make. My daughter gave me her beat-up quilt that I said I would recover because I can't remake the quilt. It's just been loved to death. Her and her dog Pepper. And then I said I was gonna upholster a chair, but now that I'm looking at it, I think I need a professional to work on that. I got the material for it, but I'm gonna look for a professional because it's a lot. And if I'm to peel it off, they're very old chairs. They're like from the 70s. I think that's going to drive everyone's allergies nuts, so I think I'm going to look for a professional. And then I have a pattern, this one here, by Simplicity 9633, and I was inspired to make it, to make view C with these sleeves, because I haven't crocheted in a really long time, and I came across a granny square quilt that's in Afghan that's in my mom's room, and I was inspired. And last November I bought the yarn to do it, and I didn't do it. So it was on my 9 makes to kind of encourage me to do it. So I think I'm going to try and finish that. I've got 2 months, and it's a lot of different things, but I've been really enjoying sewing and keeping my house and taking care of my dad and just my life in general. So I think I can get a few more of those things off my 9 makes list. Now remember, if it doesn't work out for you, it can flip over till next year, because some of the things I finished last year, I never thought I'd finish, and I did. And here's a little video of walking past one of my makes in my daughter's house. That just warmed my heart. Okay, so I'm really excited about working on my Jamaica tree. I have this hoop tree. They're 2 long, thin pencil trees that you might be interested in making a hoop tree. And they're so very tall that as an inspiration, I saw it done somewhere else. I join them at the top, and it makes a hoop over a large entryway, or it's a showstopper, guys. So I have different iterations of it. I used to keep a perpetual tree, and my perpetual tree was, I've done fall, which I will show you somewhere around here. I've done Valentine's Day. I've done Halloween. I've done my daughter's 21st birthday, and I think that's it. Oh, and I've done the angels. So I will show you some of those perpetual Christmas trees. Not everybody wants to keep up a Christmas tree all year long, but in other homes I have. Not here, because I shared the space with my father, and I think I try and keep all my nonsense upstairs. So anyway, so I'm going to be working on that Christmas tree. I sure will drop some shorts of the little different ornaments I'm making. I think the melted snowman for Jamaica is especially cute. I'm going to be creating a spinning or a rotating white Christmas tree. We have these kind of these windows that I know that shadow boxes. Anyway, they're in the formal living room on either side, and I keep a huge nativity that my mom had in one, and in the other, I'm going to put a rotating white Christmas tree that will face the street, and then I'm going to highlight the box. So I'll take you along for that journey. Let's see, what else? I'm hosting a Boxing Day party, which is the day after Christmas. So I got to plan the kind of foods and treats for that. And I also have to get my local presents together, wrap them, get them ready for distribution. And my dad has friends, and we have people who take care of us all year long that I like to acknowledge at Christmas time. Also, let's see, deck the hall, Christmas tree. Oh, and I like to put my Christmas up slow. So I start in November, and I like to take it down slow because that's when I get my ideas for inspiration and things like that. And so I love to create a heavy garland, usually a garland that I've doubled, string it with lights, and then add ornaments to that, because you get a lot of bang for your money with the garland. Because perhaps if you do not have space to keep a big Christmas tree, or you don't want to keep a big Christmas tree, you can put a garland up in the kitchen, you can put it around the door, you can put it in the hallway, you can put it in a bathroom around a mirror, and it'll give you a little bit of Christmas sparkle and a lot of bang for the space. When I used to decorate businesses for Christmas, it was one of the #1 things that me and my business partner did. We used a garland, a heavily loaded garland, to get a lot of bang for our buck. So I think that's it. I mean, there's sewing to be done. There's other opportunities to make different things. This is a wonderful time of the year. Also, if you got started in July, you can enjoy it. Sit down and make some cookies. Enjoy Halloween. Enjoy Thanksgiving. Visit with people and things like that. That was my whole push about Christmas in July. And also, everything wasn't finished in July. There are a few things to be done. There's hand sewing to do by the fire, by the holiday movies. This is a wonderful time of the year. So I'm making plans. I hope you're making plans too. And please forgive me about all the videos that are going to come out, because it has been a huge year and I'm behind. So I'd love to get those videos out before the end of the year. And so you're going to be seeing some things that you're like, I already saw her make those. But I just like to make sure that I have 12 makes in my catalog for the year, 12 sew-alongs, 12. I just like to finish it all up. So those are my plans for November, and I will throw out some shorts and show you keep you apprised along the way as I work on things. Keep making with joy, and we will see you real soon.